Deep in the heart of South Asia, where mighty rivers meet the surging sea, lies a world unlike any other, a place where nature's wonders come alive. This is the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest on our planet, stretching across the delta. A labyrinth of emerald green waterways and islands, it is a maze of life and beauty. The Sundarbans is a testament to nature's boundless creativity, showcasing diverse landscapes. Its name, derived from the Bengali word Sundari, meaning beautiful, and Ban, meaning forest, speaks volumes about its captivating beauty, a beauty that enchants all who visit. The Sundarbans is more than just a forest, it's a living, breathing ecosystem. It's a delicate ecosystem teeming with life, from the smallest insects to the largest predators. It's a sanctuary for countless species, providing a refuge for wildlife. Some of these creatures are familiar, while others remain hidden from casual view, elusive and mysterious. Here, the boundaries between land and water blur, creating a unique intertidal zone. This environment fosters extraordinary adaptations and breathtaking beauty, a true marvel of nature. Join me as we journey into this watery wilderness, a place of wonder and discovery. Together, we will explore its secrets and celebrate its majesty, uncovering the hidden gems of the Sundarbans. Straddling the coastal regions of India and Bangladesh, the Sundarbans sprawls across a vast delta formed by the confluence of three mighty rivers, the Ganges, Brahmaputra and Meghna. This unique geographical location, where freshwater rivers meet the salty embrace of the Bay of Bengal, gives rise to the Sundarbans' characteristic mangrove ecosystem. These aren't your typical forests. The Sundarbans is a world sculpted by tides. Twice daily, the ocean's ebb and flow inundates the land, transforming the landscape into a shimmering, watery realm. This constant dance between freshwater and saltwater creates a dynamic environment, rich in nutrients and perfectly suited for the remarkable mangrove trees that define this region. No exploration of the Sundarbans is complete without encountering its most iconic inhabitant, the majestic Bengal tiger. This apex predator, perfectly adapted to this watery world, reigns supreme, a symbol of the wild beauty and untamed spirit of the Sundarbans. These aren't your typical tigers, accustomed to the grassy plains or dense jungles. The Sundarbans tigers are masters of both land and water, equally adept at stalking prey through dense undergrowth or swimming across wide channels. Their presence is a reminder of the raw power and delicate balance that defines this ecosystem. Beyond the tigers, a hidden world teems with life waiting to be discovered by those who venture into its depths. The Sundarbans is a biodiversity hotspot, home to a staggering array of plants and animals, each uniquely adapted to this challenging yet bountiful environment. This vast mangrove forest is a living testament to nature's resilience and ingenuity. From the tiniest of insects to the largest of crocodiles, every creature plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. The intricate web of life here is a marvel of interdependence and harmony. Look closely, and you'll discover a world of wonders. Each leaf, each drop of water, and each grain of mud holds secrets waiting to be unveiled. Fiddler crabs scuttle across the muddy banks, their oversized claws waving in a comical courtship display. These tiny creatures are vital to the health of the mangrove ecosystem, aerating the soil and recycling nutrients. Monitor lizards, ancient reptiles with forked tongues, patrol their territories with a watchful eye. Their presence is a reminder of the primordial forces that shape this land. Overhead, a kaleidoscope of bird life fills the air with their calls, from the vibrant kingfishers diving for fish to the majestic Brahmini kites soaring high above. Each bird adds its own note to the symphony of life. The Sundarbans is a symphony of life, a testament to nature's boundless creativity. It is a place where every living being, no matter how small, contributes to the grand orchestra of existence, the silent guardians safeguarding our coasts. Beyond its intrinsic beauty and biodiversity, the Sundarbans plays a vital role in the lives of millions of people. This unique ecosystem is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The Sundarbans is not just a sanctuary for wildlife, but also a lifeline for the local communities who depend on it for their livelihoods. These mangrove forests act as natural buffers, protecting vulnerable coastlines from the fury of cyclones and storm surges. The intricate network of roots absorbs the energy of the waves, reducing their impact and safeguarding inland areas from flooding and destruction. Their dense root systems help stabilize the shoreline, preventing erosion and mitigating the devastating impact of extreme weather events. By anchoring the soil, these roots prevent it from being washed away, thus maintaining the integrity of the coastline. In a world increasingly impacted by climate change, the importance of the Sundarbans cannot be overstated. Rising sea levels and more frequent extreme weather events pose significant threats to coastal regions, making the protective role of the Sundarbans even more crucial. These forests act as massive carbon sinks, absorbing and storing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This process helps to mitigate the effects of global warming by reducing the amount of greenhouse gases in the air. This vital role in regulating our planet's climate further emphasizes the need to protect and preserve this invaluable ecosystem. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that the Sundarbans continues to thrive and provide its many benefits to both nature and humanity. Living in harmony, the Sundarbans and its people. For generations, the Sundarbans has been home to communities who have learned to live in harmony with this unique ecosystem. These communities, often living in remote villages scattered across the islands, rely on the Sundarbans for their livelihoods. Fishing, honey collection and crab farming are just some of the traditional practices that have sustained these communities for centuries. Their lives are intricately intertwined with the rhythms of nature. They understand the dangers posed by tigers and crocodiles, respecting their place in the ecosystem. Their traditional knowledge and sustainable practices offer valuable lessons in coexistence, reminding us that humans can thrive alongside nature without destroying it. The rising tide, climate change, threatens paradise. Sadly, this extraordinary ecosystem faces numerous threats. Climate change, with its rising sea levels and increasing salinity, casts a long shadow over the Sundarbans. The delicate balance of fresh water and salt water, so crucial for the mangrove's survival, is being disrupted, threatening the very foundation of this ecosystem. The consequences are already being felt. Rising sea levels are swallowing entire islands, displacing communities and wildlife alike. Increased salinity is pushing the limits of the mangrove's tolerance, leading to die-offs and impacting the delicate web of life that depends on them. A global effort protecting our shared heritage. Protecting the Sundarbans is not just a local or regional issue, it's a global imperative. This unique ecosystem, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, demands our collective attention and concerted efforts. International cooperation is essential to address the complex challenges facing the Sundarbans. Efforts are underway to mitigate the impacts of climate change, promote sustainable livelihoods for local communities, and strengthen conservation measures. From reforestation projects to community-based conservation initiatives, there is a growing recognition of the need for a holistic approach to protect this invaluable ecosystem. A legacy for tomorrow, preserving the Sundarbans' magic. The Sundarbans, with its haunting beauty and ecological significance, stands as a potent symbol of the interconnectedness of our planet. Its fate is intertwined with our own. The choices we make today will determine the future of this extraordinary ecosystem. Let us rise to the challenge, protect this natural wonder, and ensure that its magic continues to inspire generations to come. The Sundarbans is a testament to the power and resilience of nature, a legacy we must safeguard for our planet's future.